Welcome to all. Here we are going to learn the course CHO 150 Organic Chemistry. Last time we learned about some reactive intermediates, that is carbocation, carbanion, carbene here and the radicals. Today we are going to learn the reactive intermediate, that is nitrene and the arine. Here, last time we learned about what are the carbenes. Today we are going to learn the comparison between carbene and the nitrene. What is the carbene? These are a neutral divalent carbon species containing a 6 valence electron, and the nitrines are also the neutral but monovalent nitrogen species containing a 6 valence electrons. Here these nitrine are a neutral reaction intermediates which are a central nitrogen atom which is electron deficient and has a sextate electron. This is a typical structure of a nitrine group Rn containing 4 electrons, that is 2 lone pair of electrons. It has sp2 hybridized and planar in a shape. Here you can see there are the sp2 iminium ion, and here this is the another structure of nitrine, that is sp3 ammonium ion. These are the tetravalent ion with the 8 valence electron. Another structure is the divalent ion with a 6 valence electron. First is there is a sp cation, aza cations, and next structure is also the divalent having sp2 aza cations, and here this is the univalent nitrogen containing a 6 valence electron, that is Rn. This is a neutral species. Okay. Next is some description about the nitrine. Nitrine is a electroneutral monovalent electron species. It has a similar property with that of the carbene. Hence, the nitrine is also called are also analogous to the carbene. There are 6 electrons present in a nitrogen in a nitrine. The carbene are less stable than the nitrine. The generation of nitrine is possible in both triplet and the singlet state, but the ground state for the nitrine is always triplet. Okay, there are some reactions for the generation of a nitrine. Like the carbene, these are also generated by a protolytic, thermal or base catalyzed, and also the alpha elimination reaction. Here, this is the acyl azides which on photolysis reaction, then there is a formation of acyl nitrine compound by removing the nitrogen. Next is acyl azide, which also here this is the alkyl azides which is on photolysis reaction. There is a formation of alkyl nitride, that is Rn, by removing also the nitrogen. Next is how the nitrine is formed, or acyl nitrine is formed by the alpha elimination reaction. By removing this bromium, there is a formation of acyl nitrine. Next, acyl azides. Here, by removal of the nitrogen gas, there is a formation of alkyl azide. And by the photolysis process, here there by removing the nitrogen, there is a formation of NH. And by the alkyl isocyanide, by removing the carbon monoxide, there is a formation of Rn, that is a nitrine. Here, let me learn the stability of the nitrine. The nitrine are very reactive species and cannot be isolated. However, this nitrine has been trapped by its reaction with a carbon monoxide to yield the isocyanate. You can see in this reaction PHN3, which on heating there is a formation of, or by the removal of the N2 gas, there is a formation of PHN. Then by addition of CO, there is a formation of phenyl isocyanate. This is the stable compounds of the nitrate. Can also be trapped in the presence of the ethylene, that is this NH, which is reacted with the ethylene. There is a formation of the what? Cycloethyl compound or nitrogen compound. Okay. Next, here we are going to learn the arene intermediates. It is a non-isolable, very reactive species with the hexagonal planar ring structure with a 6 pi delocalizing and 2 additional pi electron. The addition of 2 pi electron do not affect the aromatic character of ring, as it does not interfere with the Hooker number 6. There is a 6-membered ring containing carbon-carbon triple bond. This triple bond gives the highly reactive to the species. Here this is the geometry of the benzenes. This pi orbital formed by the overlapping of the sp2 orbital, this is overlapping of this sp2 orbital, has 1 electron. This causes a bond deformation and leads to high reactivity of the molecule. By the here shifting the electron, there is a positive charge on the carbon and the negative charge on the another carbon. This can be like this manner also. They show some resonance. Here this is shows the 2 additional pi bond. These are the 2 additional pi bond in a sp2 orbital. How it is prepared? This is this benzenes can be prepared, or arene can be prepared of the halobenzene with the amide ion. There is a formation of this benzene. The thermal decomposition and photolysis process, also there is a formation of the benzene or arene. Next preparation method of arene is the action of phenyl lithium and the treatment of lithium with the dihalobenzenes. There is a formation of also the benzenes. Okay, and here in the next lecture we will learn the preparation of these all reactive intermediates and their properties and their functions in the number of rearrangement reactions. That time we learn the mechanisms of all these reactions. Okay, thank you very much for watching this lecture. Next time we will start to learn the applications of all these reactive intermediates in the number of rearrangement reaction, where we learn the mechanisms related to the formation of the reactive intermediates and also the mechanisms of the different rearrangement reaction. So stay on watching these videos and subscribe the channel for getting the new video related to this syllabus.